Hello, my dear pharmacy friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Ami Organics Limited is conducting walk-in interviews on 8th of this month. So the interview venue VITS Shalimar Hotel, Ankleshwar, Gujarat. So coming to the opportunities, department-wise vacancies in production, 40 vacancies are there for officer, executive, or manager. Maintenance 5 vacancies are there, and EHS department officer, executive, or manager, and ETP plus MVR officer, executive, or manager. Warehouse executive or manager 5 vacancies are there. PD and TSD officer or manager 4 vacancies are there. For quality control 15 vacancies. For quality assurance 10 vacancies. For purchase department 4 vacancies. For HR deputy manager or manager 4 vacancies. For government and liaisoning executive 4 vacancies are there. And candidates having experience in automation or DSC system in chemicals or intermediates, API or manufacturing industry shall be preferred. The location is AMI Organics Limited, Unit 2, plot number 127/1, GIDC Industrial Estate, Ankleshwar. So, if you're interested, you can attend these walk-in interviews on the specified date at the specified venue, and you can also share your resume to careers@amiorganics.com. Thank you for watching. Please utilize the opportunity. For job updates, subscribe to us.